You guys saw the title, you know what's going on. Cold start 2025 CFMoto 675 SS stock exhaust. Good looking exhaust, but it's stock. Alright, let's let it warm up. Alrighty, let's give it a good rev. They capped the revs at 6,000. I mean, surely I could get on it and rev it past that, right? All right, don't try this at home, kids. Kickstands up, clutches in. We're in first. Yeah, now we can go. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't know if this bike needs an exhaust, but you know what? We're gonna put one on anyway. Well, guys, Yoshimura did it again. Oh my God, this one's big.
That's what she said.
Yoshimura sent out another exhaust for a motorcycle I don't own, and since I got a 675 SS in the garage on press loan, we're gonna install an exhaust on it and see what it sounds like. Holy sh*, guy. That may be the biggest exhaust box they have sent yet. It is also hefty. So, guys, in this video, I'm gonna be installing this Yoshimura exhaust on the 675 SS. I'm gonna take you guys through the process super fast. It's not a walkthrough video, but when I get it installed, we're gonna do a cold start, and then I'm gonna take it out and ride it and do some flybys. Look, I know what you guys are here for. You wanna see how easy is it to install and then hear what it sounds like. I am super curious about this one though, because the exhaust on the 675 SS is tucked up in there, so it'll be interesting to see how much of a pain in the ass it is to get that exhaust out and get this exhaust installed. I'll be 100% with you guys. I haven't got to ride the 675 SS a lot. I keep getting messages from you guys. I see you. I see you in the comments. I want to go ride this thing. I'm busy, man. I got all these other projects I got to be doing. I ain't got a lot of time, so I'm kind of excited to be doing a video on this bike. I am a little nervous about the install though. So without further ado, let's get it unboxed, see what this exhaust even looks like, and then we'll get it on the bike. So obviously the exhaust is in this box, but Yoshimura also sent out this box, which is a tiny little box. I don't know if there's hardware in here, but there's one way we can find out what's in it. They sent a tail tidy kit as well? Well, I didn't know they were making a fender eliminator kit. Okay, we're gonna see how the install goes on the exhaust, because that's what you guys are here for. If I have time, I'll do the fender eliminator. I wonder why this is the biggest exhaust they've ever sent me. It's also the heaviest. There's a lot of stuff going on inside of this box. Holy crap. Bro, rip to my afternoon. This is a full exhaust kit. Oh goodness. I thought it was a slip-on. Oh, that makes a lot more sense. This is what happens when you don't do research for your videos. You just get pleasantly surprised that inside of your Yoshimura box, you get a integrated sonic chamber with your full system exhaust going on this motorcycle. All right, so guys, that's the exhaust all laid out, and I just scanned the install instructions, and bro, they have, can you guys see this? Bro, look at this. All the parts laid out, diagram, all the instructions. Like, this is what you want when you get something that you're gonna install yourself. So I'm gonna read through this, I'm gonna put some headphones on, and we're gonna get installing. I'm just gonna go by the instructions and see how far we get. What to listen to? Alrighty guys, as you can see, ain't nothing here no more. So we got all the panels and stuff and exhaust removed. So now we're gonna start the install process of the Yoshimura, which means I need gloves. Alrighty guys, as y'all can tell, exhaust install went good. Now the unfun part of putting everything back on, but after that we then get to hear this thing, and I cannot wait. So let's get all the fairing bullshit back on. Alright my friends, everything is back installed. Everything is toy like a toiger. Now let's get this thing off the lift and hear what we are all here for. My hand farted. Alright, let's get this thing outside and hear what it sounds like. Ladies and gents, cold start. This is a triple, of course, so we'll see what this sounds like. Way more deepness right off the get-go. I feel like at this point that should be like the signature Yoshi thing that we all expect. Bro, that's not even touching 4. Damn, son. Alright, let's let it warm up before we do some dumb shit. Alrighty, she's getting on up there, so let's see if we can rev past 6. Nope. Alright, I'm gonna rev it like twice because my neighbors are gonna really hate me. So I'm gonna rev it twice. We'll enjoy it, and then I'm gonna get this thing on the road. Again, don't do this at home. Jesus Christ. All right, nobody's outside. All right, let's get the bike inside before I get the cops called on me. Oh, that sounds so, why am I whispering? That sounds so freaking amazing. I am going to jail in my own house. Okay, I'm going to shuffle around these 15 motorcycles, and then we're gonna get this thing on the road and hear what it really sounds like. Alrighty guys, bike is put back together. We are about to get this thing on the road to see what it really sounds like without pissing my neighbors off. So we all love this, right? I tell you guys every time that I'm gonna not talk during this part. Most of the time I fail at doing that, so I'm just not gonna say anything this time, and the expectations will be incredibly low. Goodness gracious. We've already warmed up. Obviously, we rode here. Brother. Let me just say, that is not what this bike sounded like when I did the first ride on it. Holy smokes. All right. Oh, I can't own this bike with this exhaust. 0% chance. Bro, the quick shifter is so fast. It's woo! God
God, this bike sounds good going to Redline, bro. Oh my goodness. I think my favorite might be the downshifts though, like truly. It's just got that like, vroom, but it's deep though, you know what I'm saying? Oh my God. Man, the rev matching is good. Okay, but what if you don't want to be a goon though? What if you get this thing up in like 6? Where are we at? What if we're cruising on the highway? Oh, a sophisticated gentleman. What are you talking about? I'm chill, you know? I just got like a low rumble. So it don't have to be crazy. I mean, we want it to be, but it don't gotta be. See, we're casual. Cops around. We're gonna ride casual like this. Oh, but a red light, and then we got a downshift. Dude, this thing sounds like a freaking street triple. Bike didn't even know what to do. Oh my God, bro. Started power wheeling in first. It is a full system, so if you get this for your bike, you will need to get a tune. Obviously, this is a loaner bike. I'm just rolling out here for a test for you guys. I'm not worried about that, but if you guys buy this, you gotta get a tune to unlock this thing. So, as you guys can tell, the Yoshi on the 675 SS is absolutely incredible. Now, I will say, as far as looks go, it's not as clean as the stock exhaust. You really can't get cleaner than that, like, underbelly built-in exhaust, at least in my opinion. But I do really enjoy the look of this exhaust on this motorcycle. I like how the pipe feeds into the belly of the motorcycle, and you can kind of see a little opening where there's that little, whatever they call it, chamber sitting there. I think it's a really good look. It is slick, and my God, I hope the audio did this exhaust like justice, because if it didn't sound good to you guys, that is my fault, not the exhaust. I'm gonna be 100 with you guys. After this video, I now want to ride this bike way freaking more. I don't know why I haven't put a ton of miles on this thing yet. I mean, I've been really busy, but bro, it gets me so excited riding around this motorcycle with that exhaust. So hopefully this video is helpful for you guys. If you guys want to check the exhaust out, we'll have links for it as always in the description down below. Hopefully this video helps you in your exhaustive exhaust purchasing decisions. If you like motorcycles, subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, hit the like button. I'm Chaseontwowheels. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm gonna go ride this bike more, bro. I'm gonna go ride that more because that thing is sick.